Wavy News 10 at 6. Named Outstanding Newscast by the Virginia Association of Broadcasters.
You know, we love hearing stories about our local colleges doing great things. Tonight, a look at how ODU researchers are using new technology to fight cancer, specifically using electricity to destroy tumors. Pretty cool and really important stuff. 10 on your side's Marielena Balouris joins us to show us how it all works. Lena?
Old Dominion University was one of the founding members of an international consortium that studies bioelectricity. But they're not just studying the technology, they're creating ways it can help people and even fight cancer.
All it takes is seconds, or even less than that, to make a breakthrough on a microscopic level.
What we try to do is to get molecules from outside a biological cell to inside a cell.
Dr. Richard Heller is a professor and researcher at Old Dominion University's Center for Bioelectricity. He uses rapid electric pulses to manipulate cells.
We have found that if you apply an electric field in a certain way, it can cause temporary passages through that cell membrane to allow molecules to get in.
It took years to find the best way to use the electric fields. Now scientists are able to use them safely to insert things like DNA and proteins into the cells.
These are the needles that go in. So essentially you would have the tumor, you would inject the DNA in the tumor, and then this would go either into the tumor or around the tumor.
Once the DNA gets into the cell takes over.
Then the cell's machinery then decodes that DNA and produces a protein, and now that protein is what has the effect.
The protein could then destroy the tumor or do whatever it's designed to do, because this technology is not just for cancer treatment.
We've looked at this, for example, for wound healing, for treating ischemic tissue, so if there's poor blood flow to a tissue.
Heller said early on people criticized his research.
People made fun of us, of what we were doing, because it was crazy. I mean, we're applying electricity to living organisms.
But now it could help people.
We want to find that new thing, that what's going to make things work better, how are we going to help people.
Dr. Heller is also the recipient of 3 grants from the National Institute of Health. The cancer-fighting technology is currently going through trials to be approved by the FDA. I'm Marielena Balouris, 10 on your side.